Hello, in this video I will be demonstrating problems 2, 3, 4, and 5 for tutorial 3. So beginning with problem number 2, I'll go ahead here and start up the server. And I'll go ahead and copy the URL here. And we'll head on over to the Chrome browser and put that in. So you can see here we get our little web page with the canvas. So continuing on with the demonstration, I'll go ahead here and let's put in sister golden hair. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit request. And you can see that the moving text changes to found and that the lyrics of the song appear in the canvas. Now let's see and go ahead and put in a song that does not exist in our little directory of songs. So I'll pick Bowling for Soup's 1985. I'll go ahead and I'll put that in and hit submit request. And you can see that the moving text changes to not found. All right, so moving on to problem 3. Before editing the code, we were only able to grab the song lyrics or words on the canvas towards the beginning of the song. But having made some changes, you can see now that I'm able to grab these words kind of anywhere along its width, and I'm able to move them around freely. All right, so moving on to problem 4, you can already kind of see here down below, it's been demonstrated. So in the code, we set up this little div area in the HTML, and then each time I submit a song request, the song that I requested shows up down here. So just to demonstrate it one more time, I'll go ahead. Let me see. What do we have in our songs here? Brown Eyed Girl. That's what we'll pick. Let's go Brown Eyed Girl, and I'll go ahead and submit request. And you can see here it shows up the div down below. And again, just like in problem 2 before, moving text change to found, and we get the song lyrics. Okay, so to finish up with problem number 5, we went ahead and added this submit request with fetch. So I'll go over here to my code for a sec. You can see that in the HTML, I added in the actual button. And then in the event listeners, I added an event listener for that submit button with fetch. And then you can see here that the event handler references the function handle submit button with fetch. So I'll go over to my button and key listeners. And you can see that I have this function handle submit button with fetch. And the difference between that and just my regular handle submit button being is that in this function, we use fetch instead. So I'm going to go back to our little web page here. And I'll use the same couple examples that I used when demonstrating problem 2. So I'll go back ahead here and I'll type in sister golden hair. But this time I'm going to hit submit request with fetch. And you can see here that just like it did in problem 2, it acts the exact same way. So my moving text changes to found, and I get the lyrics of the song up on the canvas, and I can move them around if I wish. And then same thing, we'll go again with the song that we know isn't in our little directory. So again, I'll do 1985, and I'll go ahead and I'll hit submit request with fetch. And you can see here our moving text changes to not found 1985. And that's it for this demonstration. Thank you for watching.